Over 2,000 PDP members for Ugheli South local government area of Delta State don't carry Waka enter APC. Ovie Omo-Agege na light. We come join APC because of him election for 2023. Decampees. All Progressive Congress APC for Jeremy Ward 2 for Ugheli South local government area for Delta State don't receive thousands of former PDP members when carry Waka come join them.
We don't tender for two Jeremy for Ugheli South for Delta State to come witness the Decampees from PDP. Thousands of PDP members that they move enter APC today. As you can see, you see the place they don't begin to come small. And they decamp from PDP, they enter APC. We tender for here to come cover the event, to come say how the event be. This one at TMC TV. My name still remains Osakare Egonayori.
Kekeje Foundation and S.A. Kako now sponsor the reception when shele for APC Secretariat for the world. The former PDP members come from 5 communities for the world wey be Agbonweame, Oginibo, Imode, Otu Jeremy, and Iyara communities. Olorogun Honorable M.M. Okoro, when be former member for Delta State House of Assembly, when come still open the reception talk say
APC, you know, is the largest party in West Africa right now, and you are coming to a party that will take care of you. We've been taking care of people for long, but I'm telling you, it's different. You will not regret it because we have a governor that's coming when they listen to people. You know, they listen to APC people, personal they come so the same thing when me they enjoy for APC. Now you go to enjoy you. They're not going to take you as second-class citizen. You are not making a mistake, like I said. You are coming to the greatest part, and it will be well. And we'll do whatever we have to do to make you comfortable.
Chief Azaya Kekeje, when be APC chairman for Ugheli South local government, talk say this one a new beginning for APC for the state. Sake of say their Ogbonge Pikin Olorogun Esekako, when be one of the leaders for the world and local government, put hand for their back and constantly support the party well. He talks say Olorogun Esekako don't put body kakaraka to help members register for their voters card when they go on so.
No more Baba. This occasion is sponsored by 2 people, 2 groups, Kekeje Foundation and also Chief S.A. Kako. He came all the way from America for this occasion.
Wonderful.
He is a very good friend of Senator Omo-Agege. He's not just one of them. He's one who can call him anytime and he must answer.
That's it.
They are very close. He has also promised to provide vehicles to carry people from Enuwane, Ayaga, Koguyame, all around to INEC.
Chief Stanley Laba when be APC chairman for the world, and Chief Azaya Kekeje when be chairman for the local government, can officially receive the Decampees and can give them APC symbol when be broom.
You have taken a very good step to cross over to APC. You will agree with me that 2023 we have the governor, that is Omo-Agege.
By the powers conferred on me as the chairman of APC Ugheli South, I, this day, 23rd July 2022, hand over this APC symbol to those of you here present. And I welcome all of you officially to APC.
Family.
In the name of the Father.
Amen.
In the name of the Son.
Amen.
In the name of the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Happy APC. Forever victory sure. Victory sure.
Thomas Oresa when talk for the Decampees, saying that because of the Ogbonge development when APC governorship candidate and Deputy Senate Presido, Senator Ovie Omo-Agege don't do for their communities, now make them come join APC to make sure say Senator Ovie Omo-Agege become governor of Delta State for 2023.
We are Team S.A. Kako.
Okay.
We have decided to support and vote for APC because of Senator Ovie Omo-Agege. If you look at it, Ovie Omo-Agege have been doing a good work. We have more than 4 senators representing the Robo Nation before Omo-Agege. When he came to power, he decided to empower all the community with street lights. If I'm passing my community the night, everywhere will be lighting. So there's need for us to support light. If you are a citizen or a good person of a Delta State, if you have not decided to support the light, that means you are not a good person. We support light. Agege is light. Agege is what?
It's light.
Chief Stanley Laba when be Chamo for Ward 2, Chief Azaya Kekeje when be Chamo for Ugheli South local government area, Okoro, and other Ogbonge people for APC when talk to TMC TV Tori people, say Ovie Omo-Agege na Ogbonge leader when don't bring Ogbonge development to Delta State, and at this one na make Delta people want him as governor.
It's incredible. Ovie, Omo-Agege, and of course Waka, they have done a lot for Ugheli South as a general. Include Jeremy Ward 2 that I came from. They did a lot of job. Transformers, street light, solar light, just to mention a few, a lot of things have been done.
You see this man, when he photo did that so, the man be like angel. So everybody went here, they run for now. Now Agege, want to hear the word Agege? When they hear the word light, with the light when he give everybody around here, no, you can't but run to him. If you go my village now, Oginibo, for night, it be like daytime. Street lights, you put the one for this time now, they just bring them so. They don't put for all over the local government, all of them. The places where it has transformed bad for 7 years now, they don't replace them. So all of us, we are too happy with them.
The truth be say, na the man. You say life na turn by turn. It don't be APC turn, and na the man be APC. So the Omo-Agege na square peg for square hole. It don't reach turn of APC, and by God's grace, nine God don't put for us, and it dey lead us well.
My boss, Ovie Omo-Agege, na somebody wey like infrastructure. Be the type when they waka for road to win money around, but na one person wey believe say, like a promise when he don't tell us since, say before he go comot in 2023, that every community in Urobo land, which is the senatorial district, that all of them go get street light and transformer, at least street light and transformer. He like to see people smiling and saying thank you than to say he won't make money for himself. If na that kind of politician wey won't make money for himself, we go count am as one of the richest people in Nigeria. But as they give am for Abuja, the project they count they give to all the villages. By the grace of God, na me be the contact person to the man in all his project in Ugheli South. As I dey talk with you now, the project don carry me go villages when I never reach before. Gbaregolo, Okwama, Omafuwe, community when I never reach for this local government. But because of the man project, he would reach there. He get one community where we go, Okwama, we enter boat, we travel for 3 hours before we reach am. So now the thing when the man want the people to smile, he want to reach as many he go fit reach.
Na God one, because senator na person wey get the interest of the people. If you look am, you can say, how we welcome from Delta State, now we get gas, now we get oil. Yet all the towns for this our town, they dey darkness. So now I can put am for him mind, say, as God don do am, don raise am up, reach that position of deputy senate president, the highest office where any Urobo man don occupy since politics start for Nigeria. Now he say, okay, this darkness when our people dey, so he go remove am. And as such, he say, what be the easiest way to take remove am? And that is make him put solar lights. And then all the people when their transformer don't spoil, make you also replace them, so that light go enter our town. And if you look at where we're true, even in this town where we dey talk so, when they bring solar light come, even our people when not so say they no want light, when they come see light, they shine for night. The whole place they make one for night. You come see them, see they come even they trade. They come trade reach 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, market day. Because it complex say we don't dey for London. And any person when like light, you know say one light, apart from what you go take see, it also cause security. Because now everywhere come dey very quiet. Security come dey. Everybody they move about freely. People where they market, people where they trade. So all our people they are happy. So now better thing now bring come.
Some of the Decampees went talk to TMC TV Tori people, saying that the street light, the youth development, woman empowerment, and other Ogbonge things when Senator Ovie Omo-Agege don't do for their communities, now make them conjoin APC.
Because of what I see Omo-Agege they do, he give us street lights. They empower some people. This Jeremy, he's empowering people, buying car, buy motorcycle to people. So as I see, the PDP that I am before, I'm seeing nothing. So I decided to change to APC.
We believe say APC go to pass what the PDP they do. As for me, I'm from Iyara, and as a matter of urgency, if you are passing through Iyara, especially in the night, Iyara is just like a small London. Our distinguished DSP Senator Ovie Omo-Agege brought street lights and fits in the whole of the Eyara community. So for the now, if Ovie Omo-Agege can do that as a senator in Eyara as a community, we believe when Ovie Omo-Agege become a governor, he will do more.
Omo-Agege, TMC TV News.